Welcome everybody. This is our third episode in our initiative called Smart Saturday Talk. It's a awareness, learning, knowledge initiative that has been taken up by us to give back to you, the community. And I'm here. I'm your host for today. My name is Pratyay Ganguly. I'm going to be representing you, asking the questions to our expert on hand. Today we have Mr. Jitendra Singh. But before we go to his profile, I'm just going to say, so what we're going to talk about, we're going to talk about data intelligence. So we all know about data and how it matters. So there's been a lot of buzz going on in the world right now, even before from the early days of operational excellence. Data collection is a big thing, data generation is a big thing, and then you analyze it and you get intelligence out of it, and you take actions based off of the intelligence. So we are going to talk about, in today's manufacturing outset, given all the technologies and advancements that we have currently, how easy it is or how hard it is, and how actionable the data can be. We have all the tools necessary, but can we use them really? So yeah, so we are going to be talking about that today. Please stick around. To For that reason, we have gone and reached out to our friend from Rotex Automation. I'm just going to I have his profile right here. So Mr. Jitendra Singh, please welcome. He's a manufacturing excellence professional with over 11 years of industrial experience, currently serving as head manufacturing engineering and operational excellence at Rotex Automation Limited. It's one of the largest valve manufacturers, solenoid valve manufacturers in Asia. He's driving operational excellence, productivity improvement, and cultural transformation across manufacturing operations. He's also a Lean Six Sigma black belt and has mentored multiple Lean and Six Sigma projects, being directly involved in the transformation of two manufacturing plants with a strong focus on Muda elimination, waste elimination in lean language. Now, this is great. He's actively working on Industry 4.0 initiatives, including low cost automation projects aimed at transforming conventional manufacturing process into smart connected systems. So, we all know about Industry, or at least we have heard about Industry 4.0, and how the word that always goes, coupled with it is expensive. You try to go for digital transformation initiatives and try to make your plant a smart factory, but it's expensive. So low cost automation is the keyword here. He's also lead auditor of ISO 5001, and he has also training in advanced TQM under Dr. Kano. And so he's here as our expert on seat today for this topic, Power BI and smart manufacturing, turning data into actionable intelligence. Welcome, Mr. Jitendra Singh. Welcome.
Thank you, Pratyay, and the entire Concept Business Excellence team for having me in this smart Saturday talk.
Oh, we're glad.
Thank you. I only want to little correct. It is ISO 50001 energy management system.
Oh, yes. 50,001. Yes, energy ENMS, energy management systems. Yes,
Yeah.
I overlooked that.
I am really truly grateful for this opportunity. So
we're really hoping it to be a great conversation and then also have value to the listeners. Okay, so without much ado, we can start. So I just want to know, so data, right? We all know how data is important in the manufacturing scenario, and not even in manufacturing scenario, but in every processes in life right now. But so how much of that data is quality based, or how much data quality is a important factor to consider when you're trying to get analysis and intelligence out of the data. So the origin of the data should be robust, the quality should be robust, and also how we collect a lot of data, but how much do we really use it? If you can shed some light on that, sir.
Pratyay. Actually, we have lots of data. Industry factories are overloaded with data, and still decisions are still pending or delayed.
Yes.
We have data exist in ERP system, machines, Excel file, logbook. Everywhere we have lots of data. But really, we use all these data or not? Uh, we need data for take decision for analysis, but in my experience, we only use approx 20 to 25% data, and remaining all data is only a wastage of wastage of paper, or
Yeah.
it is also a non-value added activity if
Waste
data
of
is not,
resources. Yes. Mm.
yeah, if data is not usable, and don't get any analytics from that data, this data is only a waste. It
Yeah.
is a waste of resource, effort people gather that data. But if you get data, and from that data you get some analytics, then that data is useful,
So
and
that's a
remaining
really
all data is a waste, non-value added activity.
yeah. So that's a really important perspective, because when you said around 25 to 30% of the data is used, that goes to show that okay, we can also consider unusable data as a muda in this new world that we're going
Yeah,
into. So we have to also be very careful of, before we go into analysis, we have to have a design thinking state of mind where we know what kind of data we need to collect, because we have a goal that that data directly correlates to. So that's really important. So what does turning data into actionable intelligence mean for you in a manufacturing context?
in a manufacturing context, first of all, data should be right data, in
Yes.
right format, in right time, for take right decision. Integrating data from ERP, machines, logbook, and if we integrate all these data and create one dashboard that is available for all the stakeholder, the platform, whatever the platform it is, in Excel or it is in Power BI, this is the really important for organization. But
Okay.
in many time there is wrong format. Two department gather the same data, but both have used different format. One use in logbook,
Absolutely.
in a paragraph way. So data
Absolutely.
is there, but it is not usable form.
Yeah, that is.
So real shift happen when data become visible, real time, and usable. The goal is not to show data, or not to show huge data, but the enable the decision. HOD take right decision, or our management take right decision, because the taking decision, the what is the base of taking decision? The base is our data. If
Yes.
we get wrong data, or if we get right data in wrong time, means
Yeah.
delay, then decision भी लेट ही होगा.
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली एंड यही चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि इट्स जस्ट नॉट the quality of data, it's also the rate of at which the data is being generated or captured. If it's not real time, okay, how much useful is it? Okay, if some processes maybe does not need a real time data monitoring, some processes it's critical. So to then separate that and then have, so you first have data availability to generate it, and then you run analytics on it, and then you get intelligence, and then you act on it. So that's
Yeah.
वैसे ही हमारा data driven decision making should work. So,
Yes.
so in this context, so there are multiple tools available in the industry right now. So I'd also like to say one thing here. So the one thing that you mentioned, that having different templates that then restricts your usability of data across various platform in a homogeneous way, where you can just directly shift data from one template to another without having to worry about data getting lost because of change in template. That is also one of the key points in smart industry readiness assessment as well, where it says, okay, if it says machine ID 1591 and then gives a sensor data in a certain format, is it the machine ID also the same template across all the data formats that uses that kind of data? So if it's not, then it changes, and it then interrupts the whole process of analytics. And
Yes.
so I've also seen. So what are the tools available right now in the street for, once you have data, you don't have to run good analytical intelligence on it. So what are the tools available, and what do you use in your factory?
Actually, many tools available. First and basic tool is Excel.
Excel.
Excel is a big ocean.
Yes,
You can do
absolutely.
anything in Excel. So one is Excel, and other there are some available app also in market, and then we have Power BI, we have
Yes.
Tableau,
Yes.
and Tableau is the Salesforce जो
Yes.
Tableau का ही है. So we have or for data cleaning and query के लिए we have SQL and Python. So we have multiple tools for data analysis and for visualization. But we want to know which is best for us.
Absolutely.
का टूल हमारे लिए इजी है जिसकी ROI we get ROI in just 3 to 6 months. So we have to select which tool is best for us. और कौन सा टूल ऐसा है जो मेरी टीम जल्दी लर्न करेगी.
Absolutely. Yeah. Workforce capability is also a big, big factor. Yeah.
If we have like we go for Tableau or Python, but मेरी टीम ही कैपेबल नहीं है उस पे काम करने के लिए, देन कितना भी अच्छा टूल होगा इट इज वेस्ट.
Absolutely. So, I one of the things I've noticed in my ventures personally, that Power BI, a lot of companies have been using Power BI for the last 5 years. It got a sprung up. It got popular so fast. I mean, what is about it that got popular? Is it the low cost? Is it the easy UI? Is it the drag and drop dashboard? What is it? Or what do you feel is the easiest way to use, Power BI? Or why did it appeal to you?
In YouTube means whenever YouTube Reels, whenever one time I scroll a reel, in reel there is one showing Captain America. Captain America, uh, old Captain America is Excel, and Captain
Let's go.
that with asteroid it is Power BI. So every organization, every person have interacted with Excel. उसे Excel तो
Yes.
आता है. And Power BI is a little if a person know Excel तो Power BI उसके लिए बहुत ही easy है. Even he can learn Power BI in 1 or 2 days if he know Excel.
Okay.
And for data analytics, if you go for a person switch to career in data analytics, तो उसे with basic knowledge of statistics होना चाहिए, like mean, median, mode, basic regression का knowledge होना चाहिए, then basic mathematics का knowledge होना चाहिए.
This is
And
really great. So people listening, I'd like them to note them down. These are skills that you need from an expert in the manufacturing industry. So if anyone is interested, this will write it down. Sir, if you can please repeat. Let's go.
but the major important thing, knowledge of your process and knowledge of your business. आपको अपने बिजनेस के बारे में सबसे पहले पता होना चाहिए. आपको अपनी प्रोसेस के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. इफ यू हैव नॉलेज ऑफ योर टूल्स बट यू डोंट नो which is best suitable for me, so it is a waste. You have basic knowledge of graphs, Pareto, waterfall, pie chart, donut chart, where you use pie chart, where you use donut chart. So ये बेसिक सैन के चार्ट मेरे को कहाँ यूज करना है. So if you have basic knowledge of all these chart, statistics, basic mathematics, and important is your business, then you can switch to your career in data analytics. And one more thing, you can, if you are not in data analytics, but you can help your organization to take decision fast.
Absolutely.
Many time if you share one huge big Excel sheet, you आपने ERP से डाटा पूरा fetch किया, then you मतलब उसे आपने बस कॉलम वॉलम सेट करके if you send to your boss, And if you create one dashboard and send to your boss, then your boss know कि यार मेरे को क्या decision लेना है, which is right for the organization, which is wrong for the organization. So it is very necessary.
And that way you add actual value to the whole decision.
Yeah.
You contribute yourself personally to the whole decision making process.
Yes.
Okay, so also that's what I'm saying. I mean, in my ventures as well, I've seen a lot of people in the industry. So because it's really low cost and then it's available widely, they don't have to go for capex approval to get it done. They can just do it on a minimal budget. And one of these plans that we visited, they did so much. So they had multiple systems, but still they used Power BI to gather all the data in one place and have this dashboard. So I was going through the history of Power BI, and it said it was meant to supersede Excel in a way in data visualization, because Excel still is something, it's a basically a programming language or analytical programming language, which can do most of the tasks. It's still a really robust language, but still data visualization is really a disadvantage in Excel. So Power BI was just then created to fetch data from multiple sources, not just Excel, Excel, Salesforce, SQL, and then have a common dashboard. So that was really interesting to know. Okay, so I think you have an example to show how we can maybe understand the comparison between a traditional Excel sheet and then Power BI dashboard.
Yes, yes, I will show you one example. But उससे पहले जैसा कि आपने बोला कि we can fetch data from to Power BI from different sources. So we can fetch data from 100 plus sources.
100 plus. Okay.
Plus sources, SQL, Python, and ये Excel means it is 100 plus sources.
It's
So
almost feels like, yeah, I mean, that's
yeah,
we're marketing Power
SAP.
BI, we're not even sponsored.
Yeah.
but
Yeah, yeah, we are not a sponsor for Power BI, but
but absolutely, it's great
this is
green
the
tool.
benefit of this
Mhm.
software.
Yes, yes. So one thing before, yes, sir, please set up your screen. So one thing, so analytics is basically mathematical statistics that you run on, advanced basic statistics that you run on data. And so if you understand statistics, so you understand analytics and how much it can help you. And if you have ever employed statistical tools to take any decision in any walk of your life, then you understand how much visualization of that data or that result of the analytics analysis is really really important, because we as humans, we understand more through pictures than through words, because languages came much later than our own eyes. So that's a perfect way. So yeah, please go ahead, sir.
Yeah. एंड जो स्टैटिस्टिक्स में जो हमारी ऑडियंस में कोई सिक्स सिग्मा का होगा तो उसे पता होगा कि व्हाट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ हाइपोथेसिस स्टडी. तो
Yes.
कैसे स्टैटिस्टिक्स से हम लोग को राइट डिसीजन ले, कितने फास्ट हम लोग राइट डिसीजन ले पाते हैं. सो ओके, अभी एक एग्जांपल से स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो
Yes, sir.
माय स्क्रीन इज विजिबल.
Absolutely, sir.
So here is one sample data. This is a sample data of one type of rental bike या Rapido, Ola,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
type of data.
Hmm.
So we named it as a safe ride.
Okay.
We
Hmm.
सेफ राइड और स्मार्ट राइड. ठीक है, एक स्मार्ट राइड कंपनी है, उसका ये डाटा है. तो इन
And
दिस
it's in
डाटा,
Excel right now, right? We're seeing
या
an Excel sheet.
हाँ, it is in Excel. So in this data there is ride ID, date, city, vehicle type, a bike, auto or cab, booking status, it is completed or cancelled or no show, distance, fare, and payment type, and customer rating, it is very important, customer rated, and driver ID and customer ID. So we have this type of data. So if we share this type of data for to any team, so वो क्या क्या डिसीजन ले सकती है for this table. अभी
Okay.
we can convert this table in a dashboard, और फिर हम लोग ये ट्राई करेंगे। उस डैशबोर्ड के बाद फिर हम लोग देखेंगे कि इन इस टेबल में वो क्या डिसीजन ले सकते हैं और उस डैशबोर्ड में वो क्या डिसीजन ले सकते हैं। ओके,
Absolutely. Yeah.
सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। और पावर बीआई,
So just one thing for the audience is Power BI free to use or is it paid?
आई एम डूइंग इन फ्री वर्जन।
Okay, perfect. So everybody else can also relate to it because not everybody has the means. I mean, if they're starting out somewhere, yeah.
So first of all, get data,
Okay.
Excel। सो लाइक जो वी आर डिस्कसिंग कि हम लोग
Hmm.
कितने सोर्स से डाटा फेच कर सकते हैं। दीज आर
Wow.
ऑल सोर्सेस।
It really does make the job a lot easier.
या
Okay, so the Excel file is now imported.
we only transform this Excel sheet, transform this data। ओके, सो
Okay.
in this data sheet, जो we have these column,
Columns,
everything is
yes.
total cities, city, customer ID, what I require। so first मेरा मेरे अगर बॉस होंगे वो क्या देखना चाहेंगे? रेवेन्यू,
Hmm.
टोटल रेवेन्यू देखना चाहेंगे वो।
बिल्कुल.
इट इज क्योंकि बिजनेस कर ही इसके लिए रहे हैं।
Absolutely.
सम, लाइक जैसे हम लोग एक्सेल में करते हैं,
Okay.
और जो भी हम लोग का टोटल पेमेंट अमाउंट है, फेयर अमाउंट।
Hmm.
तो हेयर इज टोटल रेवेन्यू। अब टोटल रेवेन्यू को मैं कैसे दिखाना चाहता हूँ? टोटल रेवेन्यू को सपोज मैं एक कार्ड में दिखाना चाहता हूँ। आई क्रिएट वन कार्ड एंड हेयर इज टोटल रेवेन्यू। दिस इज टोटल रेवेन्यू। नाउ व्हाट आई वांट, मैं एक और कार्ड लेना चाहता हूँ। अब इस कार्ड में मैं दिखाना चाहता हूँ एवरेज राइड डिस्टेंस, कि जो मेरी एवरेज राइड है वो कितने डिस्टेंस की है। देन एवरेज डिस्टेंस,
Perfect. Hmm.
सिंपल एवरेज, एवरेज या डिस्टेंस इन किलोमीटर। तो यहाँ पे मेरे पास आ गया एवरेज डिस्टेंस। सो हाउ इजी इज दिस? मैं जो डैशबोर्ड बना रहा हूँ, ये डैशबोर्ड किस चीज के लिए बना रहा हूँ मैं? ये जो कंपनी का नाम है, इस कंपनी का नाम है जैसे सेफ राइड। सो अभी हम लोग ये देखेंगे कि हम लोग कितना इजली, मतलब हार्डली हम लोग 20 मिनट में, या फिर हम लोग
Max half an hour maybe.
मैक्स हाफ एन आवर में हम लोग कितने बढ़िया तरीके से वो डाटा शो कर सकते हैं।
Yeah, this is great. So it also means you're also saving time, which is also a muda.
या सो अभी जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि अभी हम लोग को ये नहीं देखना कि ये कैसे हम लोग इसे और ब्यूटीफाई कर सकते हैं। ब्यूटीफाई के लिए वी हैव मैनी एआई टूल्स।
Oh,
ये
okay.
अपने आप ब्यूटीफाई हो जाएगा।
Okay, okay. That's perfect. Mm.
सो अभी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्या चीज चाहिए होती है रेवेन्यू के बाद? मेरा कस्टमर फोकस। सो फॉर कस्टमर फोकस व्हाट इज माय एवरेज रेटिंग
Perfect.
जो कस्टमर मेरे को दे रहा है?
But this is exactly how our data analyst should think. Yes.
या कस्टमर रेटिंग। सो आई टेक वन मोर कार्ड और यहाँ पे मैं एवरेज रेटिंग लिख दूंगा। एवरेज रेटिंग इज माई 4.09। नाउ आई वांट सम ग्राफ। सो हेयर इज विजुअलाइजेशन सेक्शन। इसमें मल्टीपल ग्राफ हैं। तो मल्टीपल ग्राफ में सबसे पहले मैं एक पाई चार्ट ले लेता हूँ। अब पाई चार्ट में मेरे को क्या देखना है? पाई चार्ट में सबसे पहले मेरे को आई वांट टू से सी मेरी परसेंटेज ऑफ राइड कौन सी है। बाइक है, ऑटो है और कैब है।
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
आई टेक बुकिंग इज कस्टमर आई कस्टमर रेटिंग डिस्काउंट फेयर मोर पेमेंट व्हीकल टाइप और
Yes.
रेवेन्यू। तो रेवेन्यू वाइज मेरे पास ये एक
With just 2 clicks. Wow. Okay. Yes.
यहाँ इन जस्ट 2 क्लिक्स टोटल रेवेन्यू बाय व्हीकल टाइप। अभी मेरे को जो सेल्स चाहिए वो तो मेरे को मंथली बेसिस पे मेरे बॉस को देखनी होगी ना कि जनवरी में कितनी हुई, फेब में कितनी हुई, मार्च में कितनी हुई।
Mhm.
तो देन उसके लिए वी टेक वन स्लाइजर। अब स्लाइसर में मेरे को क्या देना है? डेट। ये थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाएगा तो मंथली दे देते हैं इसे। ठीक है, ये मैंने मंथली ये दे दिया। मींस अभी भी आप ये देखो, इफ यू वांट टू सी जनवरी तो जनवरी का आ गया, इफ यू वांट टू सी फेब फेब का आ गया,
Hmm.
इफ यू सी मार्च मार्च का आ गया। सो कितना इजी हो गया आपके लिए ये।
That is super.
या सो व्हाट यू वांट टू एनालाइज एनालिसिस में और क्या आपको करना है? आप इस डाटा से और क्या निकाल सकते हो? वो सब जो भी आप इस डाटा से सोच सकते हो ना, वो सब इसमें पॉसिबल है। अभी आप ये अगर ये सोचो कि मेरी राइड कैंसिल कितनी हुई है।
Okay.
न्यू मेजर एंड सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो मैं अभी ऊपर डेक्स लिख रहा हूं ना, अगर ये मेरे को
Hmm.
डेक्स नहीं पता ये क्या क्या लिखना है मेरे को, तो भी मैं लिख सकता हूँ। मेरे को सिंपल ये कैंसिल राइट डालना है, ये चैट जीपीटी में मैं डालूंगा, मेरे पास लिख के आ जाएगा मेरे को क्या चाहिए।
Absolutely.
कैलकुलेट, काउंट, सेम जो मैं एक्सेल में फॉर्मूले लगाता हूँ। राइड आईडी।
Have two calculate functions एक साथ है इसलिए.
या राइड आईडी, देन बुकिंग स्टेटस, कैलकुलेट काउंट राइड आईडी एंड ये हमारी जूम मीटिंग के थोड़े नीचे आ गए थे।
Hmm.
बुकिंग स्टेटस, यहाँ पे मेरे पास आ गया कैंसिल्ड, कंप्लीटेड एंड नो शो राइड।
Wow. Perfect. Hmm. We see it. We see the pie chart change as you click through it.
या in simple. And if we I want one trend chart, in this trend chart, revenue by date, total revenue by date.
Wow.
This is trend chart. अभी इसे मैं रिमूव कर देता हूँ फॉर स्पेस। अब मेरे को व्हीकल टाइप देखने हैं कि मेरे व्हीकल टाइप ये हो गई पेमेंट टाइप।
Okay. So you need payment mode. Yes.
पेमेंट मोड प्लस रेवेन्यू। दिस इज माय पेमेंट मोड।
Perfect. Hmm.
कितना यूपीआई से हो रहा है, कितना कैश से हो रहा है, कितना कार्ड से हो रहा है। देन देन व्हाट यू और वांट टू सी, दिस इज आवर डाटा।
Okay, I guess no, that's perfect for at
एंड
least a demonstration to our viewers
या
how easy it
एंड
is to
या
have.
हाउ इजी इट इज, एंड इफ यू वांट टू ब्यूटिफाई दिस, तो उसके लिए बिल्कुल भी हम लोग को मेहनत नहीं करनी।
Okay, and
बिल्कुल
one
भी
of
मेहनत
the
नहीं करनी।
yes, the most important thing out of this is we it's helping us trying to make decisions more than the aesthetics of it. We exactly understand where to put our focus on and where not. So we have a visualization of the numbers with us, and based on those numbers, we take decisions that ultimately impacts our business processes, be it your financial growth, your customer satisfaction, your quality of rides, or could it be anything. So, sir,
Yes.
yes, one question off of it is when we transfer this tool to a manufacturing context, is it because we're going towards smart factories and Industry 4.0? Is it possible to integrate automatic sensor data into it?
Yes, we can integrate our machine to fetch data, और उस data को we can integrate with Power BI, so we can get these type of real time monitoring dashboard.
So
So,
okay,
and
so
one
real
more thing, if I only want 3 minute more,
yeah,
so
sure.
मैं अपनी टीम को Power BI Studio, there is one Copilot, yeah, Copilot search Power BI.
Okay,
Then,
yes, I saw it. They recently added this. It's a bit
so
human
yeah,
language Q&A where you can just ask like you ask ChatGPT.
yes. So I like this dashboard. I export this dashboard in Power BI theme. I
Okay,
export custom theme 5. So I go to my this dashboard, view, browse theme, download, custom theme 5, and my dashboard is ready.
perfect. So it's not even a 15 minutes. I mean, we could be able to do this in 15 minutes, 20 minutes in our conversation. So
Yeah, and अब यहाँ पे if my boss or me we take easy decision like in वडोदरा से हम लोग ये देखते हैं कि कैसी मेरी ट्रांजैक्शन हो रही है इन वडोदरा। सपोज मैं इसको अभी चेंज कर देता हूँ, इसको मैं बार चार्ट में कर देता हूँ। सो इन वडोदरा में देख रहा हूँ कि कैश की ट्रांजैक्शन बहुत कम हो रही है. सो इफ कैश की ट्रांजैक्शन कम है, देन मैं पर्सन को बोलूंगा कि उसके पास एटलीस्ट 2 UPI आईडी होनी चाहिए. और यहाँ पे रेटिंग भी मेरी ठीक है. अगर मैं राजकोट सेलेक्ट करता हूँ, तो राजकोट में मेरे को पता चलेगा कैश थोड़ा मेरा ज्यादा है और रेटिंग मेरी कम हो रही है. थर्ड, मैं अहमदाबाद सेलेक्ट करता हूँ, मेरी
Oh my
रेटिंग
God.
और कम हो गई, मेरा कैश और ज्यादा हो गया. इसका मतलब टीम को पता चल जाएगा कि यहाँ पे पीपल डील इन कैश मोर. तो उस पर्सन को चेंज रखना है, या फिर जब उसके पास राइड आएगी तब उसे प्राइस ऐसा रखना है 60-65. उसे प्राइस ऐसा नहीं रखना 61-62-63, बिकॉज उससे कस्टमर डिससेटिस्फेक्शन इंक्रीज हो रहा है. अगर मैं
That is
सूरत में,
really, yes. Mm-hmm.
या, और इफ आई वांट टू सी दिस इन मोबाइल ऐप, तो मेरे को मोबाइल के लिए दूसरा नहीं बनाना. नीचे यहाँ पे मोबाइल लेआउट व्यू में जाना है, सिंपल, एंड जस्ट ऑटो क्रिएट, ये मेरे ऐप मोबाइल में क्रिएट हो गया है. So if I want to see in this in my mobile, it is ready. If I see this in my desktop, it is ready. If I want to see with the month, it is ready. If I want to see this in uh, whatever it is
Absolutely.
available
In a
for me.
screen, and on a dashboard, in your office, anywhere.
So you want to share data like this, or you want to share
So this
data?
is this is the millionaire question. So how do you
Yeah,
want to show data now? Like
yeah,
through Power BI or through Excel? Yeah.
yes,
So, but what that one thing that you said, that is the intelligence that which we are able to get out of data, where you understand what actions to take, what decisions to,
yeah,
based on the simple fact that you said, okay, somewhere the cash transactions are lesser, somewhere it's greater. So based on that, you even try to either, there is a psychological change, there is a physical change, you keep change with you, you set prices some way. And then also you may be given, customer ratings were so low in Ahmedabad, maybe
mm,
you can have, free rides, maybe you can have
yeah,
training of the operators that are operating, and maybe it's some problem with them, maybe some behavioral issues, a lot of things that you can finally get through to, because you
yes,
have this intelligence coming out, or you have this visualization coming out of the data that you have. Before, you had it in Excel or any, even many companies still use paper based formats, and then finally they again duplicate it to Excel, and then duplicate it to ERP, and that's a long process and stuff. But data is never visualized. Now when we have this visualization, we have now actionable intelligence. I guess that's what we are going forward. So
yes.
yeah, sure.
Yeah, in this data, you also find who is my best rider, who is my worst rider, what my best rider do. We do shadow analysis of my best rider, and we also do shadow analysis of my worst rider. So मैं एक benchmark training module भी create कर सकता हूँ. Another important thing is, जैसा आपने बोला, किसी को मैं फ्री राइड दे सकता हूँ. और वो इन ओवरऑल हम लोग इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं, व्हाट इज माय पास्ट डाटा, और उससे भी कैन प्रिडिक्ट आवर वी विल प्रिडिक्ट आवर
Absolutely.
फ्यूचर डिसीजन और स्ट्रेटेजी. सो उस फ्यूचर स्ट्रेटेजी में क्या स्ट्रेटेजी मैं अप्लाई करूं कि मेरी रेटिंग इंक्रीज हो, मेरा रेवेन्यू इंक्रीज हो. सो इन दिस वे हम लोग डाटा एनालिसिस भी कर सकते हैं, वो ब्रेकडाउन एनालिसिस भी कर सकते हैं, एंड वी डू
Maybe I think
लॉट्स
we can
ऑफ
even do
एनालिसिस.
predictive analysis as well in Power BI.
या या
Regression
प्रिडिक्टिव
analysis.
एनालिसिस.
Yes.
या प्रिडिक्टिव एनालिसिस में डे बिफोर यस्टरडे आई एम सर्चिंग दिस, एंड उसमें मैंने एक अमेजोन का पढ़ा. आई डोंट नो माई आई नो माई इनकम, बट आई डोंट नो माई परचेजिंग पावर, कि मैं कितना, व्हाट इज माई परचेजिंग पावर. बट Amazon नो माई परचेजिंग पावर.
Yes. So that's why it recommends you based on your purchasing power, because
या
it has got predictive
प्रिडिक्टिव
analytics on its
एनालिसिस.
end. Hmm.
Yeah. When iPhone 17 launched, in my जितने मेरे फ्रेंड थे, इन उनके Amazon में iPhone 17 का ऐड आ रहा है. In my phone, Samsung S24 का ad आया.
That's just pure discrimination, sir. How dare they?
No, no, no. They know ये बंदा S24 खरीद सकता है.
Yeah, that's what.
ये
Yeah, yeah,
बंदा आईफोन देख रहा है. तो प्रिडिक्टिव एनालिसिस बहुत अच्छी पीपल डू विद दिस इन डाटा एनालिसिस एंड विद एआई. सो वो प्रिडिक्टिव एनालिसिस हम लोग इसमें कर सकते हैं पूरी. एंड वी डू दिस टाइप ऑफ एनालिसिस.
okay, so sir, one more question before we move on to Q&A for the last 5 to 10 minutes. Is that so moving on in this world because we so what feeds AI is data, and then what is food for data analysts or analysis and decision? It's data. Now we have this kind of symbiosis going on where we help train the AI, then AI help us with our decision,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So where do you see yourself? I mean, not yourself, but where do you see data analysis or data analyst jobs? How do you see it progressing, and what are the things people should look out for in an manufacturing or an industrial context?
Okay. So uh, you correctly said, told, what is the food for AI? It is data. What is the food for data analytics? It is data. As AI is rising, data analytics is also more rising. Nothing to be worried for data analytics. Before sometime before means 2 to 3 year back, there is no job for particular data analysis in manufacturing sector. Data
Okay.
analysis analytics job available in market in
Or IT and
people,
finances
yeah,
and
people thought this is a type of job for finance department or IT department, and it is a tech related job. But when people adopt AI and these type of simple tools like Power BI and Tableau came in market, so the mindset of industry is now changing. We require data analyst is in every department. It is depend on industry to industry, but in the current era, we required data analyst in every department. He can do one or two role along with data analytics. He will also do like cycle time study or industrial engineering activity or our data analyst with he's also supervise the production system. It is possible, but in the current era, list is required in every type of industry. So ultimate decision is if we go for AI model based on the same. AI will help data analyst and assist you to making decision. मतलब AI, we can say AI is our assistant for
and
helping our decision. Ultimate decision is your choice. Decision is our choice. Predictive analysis, what you find doing. Suppose AI जो कर रहा है, it is good, but data analytics job और data analytics analytic role वो market में अभी rise ही करेगा.
yes, and that's important to understand because in manufacturing context, and then everything other than manufacturing context. So we'd see a lot of jobs getting replaced, and there has been job loss fears, and it's pretty rational given the the power of AI, the AI tools that are been released right now, where it can automate your tasks from sending mails to even perform analysis. But the human part of it is what matters in manufacturing scenario because it can help you with, it can probably do the whole analysis for you. It can derive the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, the whole basic statistics for you, but it cannot
Yeah,
take decision for you in a manufacturing context where you only know where what your customer wants,
yeah,
what your customer is looking for, what quality means to your customer. AI does not know that before you program into it. So this human centrism with AI, do you think it's going to be super popular now because we have free AI and then free Power BI? The AI and BI together, artificial intelligence and business intelligence going together.
Business intelligence both. uh, मैं रिवर्स स्टार्ट करता हूँ. It is
Uh,
free now, but in future it is not free.
okay, yes,
Both. And currently जो मैंने एनालिसिस करी थी, it is in free version of Power BI. We can do lot in its paid version also. Same is for AI also.
yes.
Like before do this in Excel or in some another tool, people uh, के पास बहुत सारा नॉलेज होना चाहिए था फॉर सम प्रोग्रामिंग और कुछ इस तरीके से एल्गोरिथम लिखने के लिए. बट नाउ आफ्टर एआई इट इज सो सिंपल. So simple thing is we have to adopt all new technology, AI and Power BI. Right now, AI is not the replacement of this type of digital dashboard, but no one know the future. So maybe after 2 year, after 3 year, AI can replace this. So after in these 5 year, people learn Power BI. After 5 year, suppose Power BI or mature होगा, then people learn more thing. Overall, जो भी हो रहा है, हम लोगों का work easy हो रहा है. और एक
Yes, absolutely. Hmm.
requirement है इस skill को सीखने की.
Yes, absolutely. Because ultimately, everybody wants intelligence out of data, but not
Yes.
many know how to go about doing it or what questions to exactly ask. So, data analyst skills, both behavioral and technical skills, is a niche, and
Yeah.
yeah. So, and AI also will use it. I mean, recently I came across this. So we're not transforming or we're not replacing jobs. We're
Yeah.
transforming the roles in a way
Rules.
which was, an operator in who is called an operator now in 10 years or in 5 years should be called a AI augmented process engineer. So
Yeah.
it's a human centrism of AI that, along with data analytics, will be hugely popular in every domain. So I would urge the audience, whoever is listening and interested, to not, I guess you would also agree with me here on this, sir, to not just solely learn data analytical tools such as Power BI uh, or Tableau or anything of that sort, but understand how you can collate and collaborate AI with it. Now Power BI also now has integrated Copilot with it as well. So you have to think of there should be a future thinking or a design thinking mindset that you go into it where you make yourself future proof, right? So we have around 8 minutes left and 7 minutes now. Just the clock just turned. I'd like to open up the floor to everybody and anyone who would like to ask a question directly to Jitendra sir is very, very welcome to do so. Aditya, can you please handle this part?
Yes, I will just give.
So is
Yeah,
everyone unmuted?
yeah, and now they will be able to unmute.
So anyone who'd like to ask a question to Jitendra sir, I'd request them to unmute, and uh, then maybe if there are multiple questions, we can do a rapid round. Uh, so anyone, please go ahead.
So, uh, Jitendra ji, I'm Nital here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think it was good. You explained us with this example, which was a live practical example, so that enabled us to understand. So the question is, how do you like you said you can create this mobile view. So just for the audience, if you can explain how do I share this with others? Do they also need Power BI or without Power BI also they can see? So if you can explain on that.
Yes, we can share this if we can share this without Power BI. But if we have Power BI app or Power BI in system, then it is more good. वो other file भी extract कर पाएंगे. बट इसका हम लोग एक लिंक क्रिएट करके वो लिंक शेयर कर सकते हैं। व्हेन वी वो लिंक पे वो लाइव डैशबोर्ड ही रहेगा।
So it will be like I don't want them to just as a viewer, if they want to see and they want to interact with the board, can they do it with a link?
हाँ, यस वी कैन डू इट। बस उसके लिए अभी मेरे को ये वो जो वर्जन है सर, ये वर्जन इसका पावर बीआई का, मतलब मैं जो ये क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ, 1 सेकेंड, आई विल शेयर माई स्क्रीन। स्क्रीन इज विजिबल।
Not right now, sir. It's visible now. Yes.
Yes. So this is desktop view, and now this is a mobile view. In mobile view, after auto create, we can make this as a bookmark, or we can make share this with some लिंक। और उसके लिए भी मैंने अपना ईमेल यहाँ पे रजिस्टर नहीं कर रखा है, दैट्स वाई अभी मैं इसे पूरा नहीं कर पाऊंगा। बट मैं इसे फिर एक लिंक से शेयर कर सकता हूँ। देन आफ्टर ओपन दिस लिंक, वो बिल्कुल जिस तरीके से ये इसमें ओपन हुआ है, सेम इसी तरीके से ये कोई
View
भी
mode में
इससे
basically
एक्सेस
I will be able to view it
एक्सेस
basically.
कर, या
It will be a read-only access to me, right? Okay.
इट डिपेंड्स। मैं रीड ओनली भी दे सकता हूँ, और आपको इसमें एनालिसिस करने का भी राइट दे सकता
Okay. Okay. Good. Thank you. Thank you very much. I think this is very useful.
हूँ। यस सर।
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your question. Anybody else has a question? If not, then we can move on to a quick rapid fire round and end this session with that. Okay, great. So, sir, I'll have, okay, let me check. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six questions for you, and you have to answer it as fast as possible. I'm going to give you two options. You have to choose one. Okay,
Okay.
are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Data analyst versus data engineer. Who would you pick?
Data analyst.
Okay. Data engineer versus data scientist. Who would you pick?
This is only, I think this is only a tech jargon.
Okay.
Analyst, engineer, scientist. I know all they do 90% same activity.
Okay. That's a good answer.
Data scientist.
Data scientist. Okay. Okay. Power BI versus Tableau. I know the answer already, but still.
Yeah,
Power
Power
BI.
BI. As for me, if you know Excel and have knowledge of graph, you will easily catch up with the Power BI. So Power BI.
Okay. Okay. Power BI versus Excel.
It is really a tough question.
I will.
Actually, you can tie. You
Okay.
can do everything in Excel also.
Yeah, but I guess Power BI is really
Power
necessary
BI
to
is,
layer on Excel. Yes.
yeah,
Power BI after Excel. Yes.
yeah, Power BI after Excel. Yes.
So, okay, next one KPI every plant must track.
If it is a manufacturing plant, then OEE, overall equipment effectiveness.
Perfect. And last, real time versus perfect data. What matters more?
Real time. Because fast decision with 90% accuracy are better than late decision with 100% accuracy. With dashboard help our leadership team to make decision fast. So real time.
That is a very, very good answer. I thank you for that perspective.
Thank
Just to
you.
repeat what you just said, best fast decisions with 90% accuracy, better decisions with are better than late decisions with 100% accuracy. That is really, really important perspective. Okay, thank you. I think Nitul sir, you have a question.
Yeah. So to what extent this is free? Is there what is the limit for paid version versus the free version?
There is सपोज रियल टाइम मैप, मैप का हम लोग का पेड वर्जन में आता है। इसमें मेरा जो टीम मेंबर है वो मैप में कहाँ कहाँ जा रहा है मैं ये भी उसमें ट्रैक कर सकता हूँ। इट इज नॉट इन फ्री वर्जन, बट फ्री वर्जन में अगर मैं मैप देखूंगा, वो मैं स्क्रीन में अगर शो करूं तो ज्यादा आसान होगा। इस फ्री वर्जन में अहमदाबाद, वडोदरा, ये मैं लोकेट करूंगा तो इट इज इजी टू लोकेट। बट अगर मैं उसके अंदर अगर रियल टाइम मैप लगाना चाहूंगा तो इट इज इन पेड वर्जन। तो एक ये गैप है। सेकंड, जो अभी हम लोगों ने को पायलट का हेल्प लिया, पावर बीआई में अभी हम लोगों ने को पायलट का एआई का हेल्प लिया फॉर ब्यूटिफाई आर स्क्रीन, आर विजुअलाइजेशन। सो ये अगर मेरा पेड वर्जन होगा तो ये उसमें डायरेक्टली हो जाएगा। थर्ड, अगर मैं इंडस्ट्रियल पेड वर्जन लेता हूँ तो इंडस्ट्रियल पेड वर्जन में कि मेरी पूरी टीम इस चीज को एक्सेस भी कर सकती है और ये सारी एक्टिविटी मेरी पूरी टीम कर सकती है। बट इन फ्री वर्जन मैंने ये सेपरेट करा, आपने सेपरेट करा, और उसके बाद जब हम लोग को इसे वापस मतलब उसमें एक्सेस करना है तो मैं आपके डैशबोर्ड में नहीं कर पाऊंगा, आप मेरे में नहीं कर पाओगे। बट इट इज अवेलेबल इन पेड वर्जन जो इंडस्ट्री पूरी ग्रुप कंपनी के लिए लेती है। सो 80% जो भी हम लोग के डैशबोर्ड रिलेटेड एक्टिविटी हैं, 90% वी कैन डू इन फ्री वर्जन। और जो अगर हम लोग घर पे जो मतलब ऑफिस से नहीं, अगर हम लोग घर पे जो अपनी एनालिसिस करते हैं उसके लिए अगर मैं कहूँ तो फ्री वर्जन इज इनफ। मैंने अभी मैं ट्राई कर रहा था एक सिक्स सिग्मा का डैशबोर्ड क्रिएट करने का वन पेज पे। वो वन पेज पे तो नहीं आ पाया बट इट कम इन 4 पेजेस। define and pre-measure I created in one page, measure and measure in second page, analyze in second page, improve and control in fourth page. So मेरे को जब वो सीनियर को दिखाना है तो वो 60 पेज की स्लाइड से अच्छा मेरा ये डैशबोर्ड है।
Correct.
और
Thank you.
इन्हीं 4 डैशबोर्ड में मेरी अगर 5 6 सिग्मा के प्रोग्राम चल रहे हैं, प्रोजेक्ट चल रहे हैं, तो मेरा सिंगल फर्स्ट डैशबोर्ड में ही वो प्रोग्राम प्रोजेक्ट सेलेक्ट करेंगे और चारों स्लाइड वहीं पे वो देख लेंगे।
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
थैंक
With
यू।
that, yeah, we are out of time. And thank you everybody for who is here, who has been here and been listening to us. Hopefully, we can provide some valuable insight to you. Maybe that you can carry forward with you in your next steps. Thank you so much, Jitendra sir, for your.
Pratya, next
थैंक
next
यू।
webinar, you can also tell us which is the
Yes,
next
sir. Yes,
one.
sir. Thank you, Jitendra sir. And also, for our next episode, we're just going to showcase our topic and our speaker for you, for the participants. Uh,
Is it
yes,
visible?
yes, it is. So, connectivity in smart factory, unifying MOM, MES, and QMS systems by Guillermo sir. It would be a great discussion as well, great and exciting discussion as well. Looking to see you back as well, Jitendra sir, as an audience again. Uh,
श्योर।
Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, Jitendra sir. And
थैंक यू।
everybody, go sign up, follow us, and repost, talk about it if you like it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
थैंक यू।